heard it's a disaster from what I heard and seen some videos, and it just doesn't look good. I feel like we're as prepared as we can be.
I signed up because, you know, being a part of a co-op is about helping other people, so I'm excited to go down there and help out. I'm looking forward just to the experience in general. You know, the first one, hopefully it'll make me better for my next.
Yeah, I feel like it's a good learning opportunity for me as an apprentice, that this will be a chance for me to where we can help people, and it's also a very good learning opportunity for me.
I just hope we can get the power back on as safely as possible.
It was the longest morning ever. So we watched it make landfall early morning hours. Like, the storm had shifted so much, we still were not sure what we were going to get. And unfortunately, the eye of the hurricane, as the day progressed, went right along the western side of our service area. And so our entire service area was impacted by the, you know, they call it the dirty side of the hurricane, but at its peak, we had 81,500 meters offline, which is 90% of our system. We would have been in dire straits without our cooperative mutual aid. We are incredibly thankful for the cooperative network. We finished our restoration by late evening Sunday into early Monday morning. I am so proud to say that we had no major safety incidences, but to have that many people in a storm situation and work that safely, it's incredible, and I'm so thankful to everyone who came here and worked very safely.
This one was just a lot of debris, a lot of trees falling, tearing line down.
I mean, it was bad. I mean, there was lots of people out of power.
They needed the help.
I'm learning from other linemen. That was good.
I'm glad I went.